In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a smart checklist for Monday.com. This is a simple and efficient way to ensure your tasks are organized and manageable. By the end of these steps, you'll have a clear, actionable checklist right at your fingertips, making your work on Monday.com even more effective. First things first, let's head over to Monday.com. If you're not already there, open your web browser and type in Monday.com into the address bar. Once the page loads, you'll see the login button at the top right corner of the screen. Click on it to start the logging in process. On the login page, you'll see multiple options to sign in, but for convenience, click on the Google button. This allows you to log in using your Google account, which is both quick and secure. Choose your account from the list, or if you haven't signed in elsewhere, enter your Google credentials to proceed. Once you've successfully logged in, the next step is to navigate to your board. This is where you'll be adding your checklist. Look for the board you typically work with or want to enhance with this feature. Once you're on the main board screen, direct your attention to the top right corner where you'll spot a speech bubble icon. Click on it to open the communication panel where you can add updates and comments. With the communication panel open, you'll see a text box that allows you to start typing your message. This text box is versatile and can be used for various purposes, but today we'll focus on creating a checklist. Within this text box, look for a checklist icon. It resembles a small list with check marks. Click on it and you'll see the format change to accommodate checklist items. Now it's time to type in the items you want included in your checklist. Think about the tasks you need to complete or the points you want to track, and enter each one as a separate line in the text box. This feature is particularly handy for breaking down complex projects into manageable pieces or simply ensuring you don't overlook small tasks. Once you're satisfied with the entries in your checklist, there's one final step to finalize everything. Locate the Update button, which will save your changes and ensure that your checklist is integrated into your board updates. Hitting Update will apply these changes so you and your team can access them anytime. And there you have it, a straightforward way to add a smart checklist to your Monday.com board. This tool will help you keep track of tasks, streamline communication, and enhance your overall productivity. Thanks for tuning in, and happy organizing.